Patrick Baden knows all about David Goodman's ordeal. Patrick's daughter, Melissa, was taken to Japan by her mother 3.5 years ago. He now lobbies on behalf of children and parents affected by international child abduction, and he joins us this morning. Patrick, let me ask you this. If you are David Goldman, what are you going through right now?
Oh, it's a mixed bag, Harry, for David right now. I think David has been through 20 appeals and 20 different motions filed by his opposition down there in Brazil, and it's never happened before. And you know, he's gone through all of those, and his child, Sean, has not been brought back to the United States. So he's probably a bit skeptical and excited at the same time. It's an emotional roller coaster, I'm sure.
And he has reason to be skeptical, doesn't he?
Absolutely. Like I said, I think he's been through 20 motions and appeals by his opposition in Brazil, and it seems like they're just going to continue. You know, I wouldn't be surprised if the stepfather does file some other appeal and block Sean's return.
You have spent a lot of time lobbying in Congress and lobbying in state legislatures to get support for children such as your own or children such as David Goldman, because there is an international law which is supposed to help prevent this sort of taking of children and having family members, other family members, literally snatch them away. Are you seeing any change? Are you seeing any greater support for this?
Absolutely. There's a lot more interest in the issue over the last year and a half or so. I have an organized group of parents who work with me. We all work with our legislators, with our senators, with our congressmen. We have met with the State Department, and things are changing. You know, it's this is sort of a side effect of globalization. All the international families and marriages and children abducted back and forth, and it's just something that has to stop.
Very quickly, how long has it been since you've seen your daughter, and do you have any prospects whatsoever of getting her back?
You know, in my personal case, it doesn't seem as hopeful as David's case. It's been 3.5 years.
Patrick Baden, we thank you for your time this morning. Do appreciate it.